Today I have CX5 with me here, and the main problem is about overheating. And the owner said that when he drove this vehicle around 15 to 20 kilometers, the temperature signal pop up on dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. Let's see. And what causes the engine to overheat? Number one is radiator cap. Don't allow your radiator cap to behave like this. Solution is you have to replace a new radiator cap to prevent leaking of coolant. So that is the only solution you have to do, just replacing that cap. Number two is radiator itself. So when the radiator is not providing the cooling condition, when it comes to cooling system of the vehicle, radiator plays an important role on the cooling condition of the vehicle. So the main culprit is radiator. So make sure radiator is free from corrosion, leakages and clog. So that is the important thing you need to make sure. So right now I have to remove this radiator to make sure there's no leakages and it's clean. So let's do it. Eh?
Yeah.
So we are going to change the radiator with the clean one, free from leakage, no blockages, right? So we are going to change with that. Another thing, I'm sorry to say this, but this is the fact. In Africa, most of the people are using water as cooling element. So if you are using water, don't don't use thermostat, or don't replace thermostat. Remove it and throw it away. And if you are using coolant, and the original coolant, not the fake one, please replace your vehicle with a new thermostat. Don't use thermostat if you're using water on your vehicle, please. In the next video I'm going to show you how thermostat operates and why I'm saying this. So right now I'm going to replace with this one. We have so many things that can cause your vehicle to overheat, such as fan, we have fuse, we have coolant temperature sensor. I'm going to show you if those things are okay. And very important thing is about coolant temperature sensor, and I'm going to show you how to identify that temperature, if it's okay or it's not okay. So wait and see. Next, finya clip. This is the cooling fan. It has two fans. Let me start the vehicle. Let's go and see. mpaka hizo bubbles ziishe. So the last step you are going to confirm. So I want to use this Etel machine to monitor the temperature of this vehicle. That's the last step. We have around 5-4. Let us focus to the mission. So here PCM, power control module. As you see, we have let me show you engine coolant temperature. So engine coolant temperature right now is 63, and there is something I want to show you from today. The CX5 diesel engine, the fan normally kicks off when the temperature reaches 101 degrees Celsius, and it cut off the fan when the temperature reaches 98. So today I'm going to show you if that information is okay. Wait and see. The temperature is 68. We need to wait around let me say 30 minutes. The temperature is around 70 something, no leakage of radiator cap. So let's just wait and see. Let me just confirm. See, it's 71. The engine coolant temperature 71. Let's wait and see. See, the temperature is still young, 83. So we are just waiting. Let's wait and see. We are 90 right now. We're still waiting for 10, another 10 degrees. 92. You see, I'm waiting for variable fan duty cycle 1 and variable fan duty cycle 2, which means we have fan 1 and fan 2. So I'm waiting for that duty. 10 more, 6 more, 94. So fan duty cycle should be around 30 point something when it's low, and high should be around 60 point something. So we are going to monitor and to see the fan duty cycle. So here is fan 1 and fan 2. Now it's 97. We are mainly with around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. 98. We have remained around 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. 99, 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Celsius left. 100. So if you want to know if the fan is working properly, let's wait and see. Correct. Fan 1 has kick off with 30 duty. Fan 2 has kick off with 30.1 duty, meaning the fans are okay and the coolant temperature is thus okay. Okay, let's wait and see if those fans are going to stop at 98 degrees Celsius. 99. Let's wait and see. 98. Correct. They're all stopped. So meaning the coolant temperature sensor is okay, the fans are okay. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.